Jameis just fumbled.
Russell Wilson takes over the ball at the 27-yard line.
Deep in Cleveland territory. Russell going for the end zone. Oh, Pickens missed it. He was wide open. That was going to be a touchdown if Pickens turned.
Pickens would secure it behind second.
That would have given Pittsburgh the lead. That was over Ward, I believe, or no. Ward wasn't in the area.
Up the field, and then he just doesn't locate it. I don't know if it's because of the snow or what.
Oh, he just didn't locate it. He would have had it, too.
Expecting him to work a little bit more vertical as opposed to across the field.
I don't know who number 12 for the Browns is on the coverage. They're 2nd and 10 at the 27 of Cleveland. Russ has Najee to his left. There's a man in motion. I believe that's Austin. And Najee gets it, and he fights up to the 20. I can't even tell. It's going to be 3rd down. It's a blizzard in Cleveland tonight. It's playing into the Browns' hands.
Jim Schwartz has dialed up a lot of pressure. They've been waiting up front. Myles Garrett.
3rd down and 6.
A big factor tonight. 3rd down. He's lined up to the blind side and the left to Russell Wilson. He does not want to hold on.
Wilson with Najee to his right.
Quickly here.
Watch out for Myles Garrett on the blind side. Now goes in a little bit. Freiermuth chips him. Russ going for the end zone. Touchdown! Steelers. Calvin Austin over Greg Newsome. What a dagger from Russ. Steelers take the lead after being down 18-3 in the 4th. The Steelers have scored 16 unanswered. Austin, with great coverage from Newsome, makes a great catch.
That's exactly what they're able to do. Nice throw.
It was a post route, and Austin was open. Newsome got beat.
By Russell Wilson.
Got position on Newsome. In he goes. They'll go for 2.
Awesome throw and catch in the snow.
That's not an easy
Russ
target.
to Austin. And the Steelers are going for 2 here with 6:15 to go.
Austin in the slot. He's 5'9". So think about that target to make that throw. That's how perfect of a throw that was by Wilson.
A perfect throw in the snow. It's hard to come by. 2-point try. Russ alone in the backfield. Wilson gets the snap. Fade, incomplete. No PI called. Delpit with the coverage. Not sure who Russ was looking for. It was number 84 on the Steelers. But the Pittsburgh Steelers are up by 1 with 6:15 to go. Russ to Austin.
Holiday deal.
We're in for a wild one here in Cleveland in the snow. Can the Browns come back and make the upset?
This has turned out to be a wild one.
Welcome back to snowy Cleveland.
Teams going back and forth.
6:15 to go. Steelers up by 1. What an amazing game we have. It's truly not NFL season until there's a snow game. You gotta love snow games. I mean, this is gritty football. This is the football you love. AFC North Thursday night. Steelers, Browns in the snow. Man, that's what you love about the Midwest.
On display tonight, even in these conditions.
Boswell kicks it deep. The Browns have to return it. It's muffed. Picked up. Going to get up to the 30. Ran into his own man. Is Jerome Ford, I believe that was.
Who's had a big night, and this is on that touchdown pass. Look at Freiermuth, who's helping out Dan Moore. Dan Moore's been out there isolated from time to time. That time Freiermuth was
oh,
let it.
Russ got hit hard.
That Russell Wilson took after he released that football. There's the great ball to Austin.
On the touchdown throw.
Any better. And then the two-pointer where he tried to get it.
Oh, Cordell Patterson. I forgot he's on the Steelers. All right, starting from the 33-yard line. Jameis alone. I believe he's in shotgun. Jameis gets the snap. Oh, it's tipped up in the air. 2nd and 10. The Steelers are coming alive. This is why they're 8-2. Their defense. We all know how good it is. They got playmakers everywhere.
Meanwhile, then Winston is on that same 2 right now, in a way. Not that, if people forgot about it, they would say,
Defense number 24. 5-yard penalty. Automatic. First down.
there's an automatic first down here.
There's Jamison Jerome Ford. They just came to the sideline. Dorian Thompson Robinson is in it.
Dorian Thompson
Robinson.
He comes back in the
DTR.
game which is a surprise.
What's going on
And
here?
he's kind of their version of Justin Fields as far as a changeup and what he can do.
Nothing like putting a guy in, ice game on the bench. With
6 minutes and 6 seconds left. The Steelers are calling for defensive holding. They're going to run it with Chubb. He only gets about 3 to the 40-yard line, and DTR is coming out. Jameis coming back in.
Winston started the next game, so he comes in for one play, and out he goes.
He is a threat to be able to get he can throw it also, but also has that ability to kind of pull the ball and get around the edge the way Fields can.
Winston's
been throwing the football. He's been doing a really good job of making quicker decisions.
Chubb to his left, 88 was in motion. He sets in the slot. He gets Brevin Jordan, and there's a flag.
Left tackle looked like he moved. Remember, he just gave up a sack, and now this time he moves.
Offense number 65.
We got a cha-cha
Ifedi again taking the
for
place
Ifedi.
of the injured DeJuan Jones. Kaylee.
Guys, Myles Garrett is in the blue medical tent on the Brown sideline right now. He went in with an athletic trainer for a minute, and it wasn't long before the independent concussion specialist joined him in there. That specialist just left, and it looks like they're headed to the monitor.
Uh-oh. Myles Garrett might have a concussion. That is not good for the Browns. They're having a terrible season. That's the last thing they need. Myles Garrett to be hurt. Their best defensive player. Jameis fakes the handoff. Pressure. Oh, he gets away from it. Jameis slings it across his body. Oh, Judy, what a catch in the Steeler territory. First down, Cleveland, a big throw. Oh, Jameis is limping. Jameis is limping. He got back up. Jameis got hit. But what a throw across his body to Jerry Judy having to leap up and make the grab.
Make this throw up.
Oh, right over the leaping Deshaun Elliott.
That was incredible. On the run.
Wow.
Over Elliott.
Dude, this is insane. Look at this. And the conditions, too. What is this game? Ooh, Patrick Queen came in and hit Jameis, and Jameis knocked down the Steelers coach. Winston fakes the handoff to Chubb. Oh, Jameis almost got hit again. He did get hit again. It's incomplete. 2nd and 10. Elijah Moore.
Second and 10.
Just when you think Jameis Winston and the Browns, same old Browns, Steelers are going to find a way to win. The Browns are going to find a way to lose. Jameis Winston says, not so fast, my friend, with that completion. Gets in a plus
This is
territory.
such an insane game. 4:34 to go.
He's in plus territory, right?
We're playing in a blizzard.
Not so fast.
This has got to be the most fun I've had watching football in a while. I haven't witnessed a snow game in a minute. A blizzard game, especially. You never get those. Winston, there's pressure. He throws. Oh, it's knocked down by Beanie Bishop.
That time Njoku covered on the play, knocked away by Beanie Bishop. 3rd and 10.
The
He
rookie.
got away with one there. I don't know if he couldn't see Bishop or
3rd and
one
10.
thing with Jameis Winston, he gets on a roll. He's a gunslinger. He's going to take some chances. Very, very close to the rookie here of being able to step in front of that football and intercepting that.
Going for Njoku. There was another defender in coverage. He was a linebacker.
4th down, they're 3 for 3 on 4th. 3rd and 10.
3rd and 10. Winston alone in the backfield at the 39 of Pittsburgh. Jameis. Line holding up well. Jameis as he threw. It's intercepted. Dante Jackson. It went right to him.
Pick them off. Dante Jackson.
An awful interception from Jameis Winston, which we are all accustomed to.
Steelers in the lead and get
And
the ball.
Dante Jackson with another pick this season. I believe that's his 4th. And Pittsburgh can just run out the clock now.
By Jameis
Welcome
Winston,
back to
and here
the blizzard
he
in
tries to
Cleveland.
Get this football into Elijah Moore. And again, he got tough conditions.
He's
but right
going
before he
for-
throws
he's
it,
going for
look where
Elijah
the
Moore.
receiver is, and and look where this football ends
Moore's
up
not
going to
even
the
looking
outside,
back at Jameis
right
when
to
Jameis
the defender. So you
lets
break
it
to the
go,
inside
and
where
then
the receiver,
Dante
the
Jackson
ball
is,
thrown towards
it's
the
right to him.
outside where Dante
It is,
Jackson
oh, it's a
has
duck,
outside
too.
leverage. You can even
It was
see the
right
way the
to him.
football came out of his hand.
Jameis needed to
Look,
wait
it
maybe a
slipped out of his
second
hand,
later.
but it did not look like the throws
It's a
in
snowball
space.
fight in the end
It's been
zone
decisive.
for the
Balls come
Steelers.
out, and it's been on a line.
Casey throwing snowballs
Robbie
at his
bounced
fellow
to the outside
teammates.
on it.
So Pittsburgh starts at their own 24. Russ gives it to Najee, and Najee gets the 4.
27-yard line.
And he's second down.
Still a long way to go. Let's take a look at our next gen stats.
About
powered
7
by
or
AWS.
6.
We talked about his vertical
As
passing game.
Russ is coming off the field, Justin Fields is going to come in.
With 4 to 6, 135 on passes thrown 20 yards or further. That's a big difference in his game right now. So good job with dealing with the conditions.
So do you run with Justin Fields or do you run with Najee? I'd say Justin Fields. Najee hasn't had a really good night tonight. Najee in motion, goes to Justin Fields left. Browns cramming the box. Fields gives it to Najee outside. Ooh, Najee had a good run there. Going to be third down.
Because if they pick up a first down,
It's going to be a timeout called by Cleveland with 3.5 to go.
With 3:32, it's going to be third down and 4, and Cleveland will take a timeout right here.
So now both the Browns and Steelers have 2 timeouts remaining.
Justin Fields and the wrinkle that he brings. I was talking to
So
Arthur
the
Smith
third
about this.
down.
It's not just he's a runner and he's in the game. Do you know how much practice time it puts on Kevin Stefanski and any team that gets ready to play?
Third down
the
and 4, and
Steelers?
you know this
Because
Browns
it's
crowd's going to be
You can't
going
just
to be
say, oh,
rocking on this play.
He's a run threat.
3:34 to go. It is 29 degrees in Cleveland tonight.
So it takes away from your time that you can spend on Russell Wilson and the normal offense that they're attacking you with because of the threat of the zone read game, the power read game, QB run game. And it's just a nice little wrinkle, not just tonight, but the rest of the way for Arthur Smith and his Steelers offense all year long.
The 2 quarterbacks, you got 1 and 1A. Third and 4. Field stays in.
Third and 4 at the 30. Fields alone in the backfield. Now here comes Najee and Freiermuth in motion.
Now Harris.
Fields is going to throw it. Going deep for Pickens. Incomplete. Pickens wants a penalty. It's not going to come.
Emerson covering him on the
4th and 4.
This is exactly what
Emerson Jr. with the coverage. Martin Emerson Jr.
And they stopped the clock.
Really underrated corner.
Yeah, and this is part of what you get coverage.
Really good complimentary piece to Greg Newsome and Denzel Ward in the secondary.
And I think the reason you want an interference.
Whole Steelers sideline wanted the flag, didn't get it. Corliss Waitman will punt it, the former Bronco, and oh, it's a bad punt. It's off the side of his foot.
Short one. Corliss Waitman. You can't even tell. Did somebody get a hand on it?
No, I think he shanked it. He did not hit that good at all.
Yeah, he shanked it off the side of his foot. Still going at the 46-yard line of the Steelers. Oh no. A bad time for a bad punt. That could cost him his job.
In Pittsburgh territory, we think.
Yeah, that just came off the inside of his foot. Nobody got a hand on it.
Inside of his foot. He shanked it.
Think about this. This Steelers team wins games like this, again, with special teams being a big part of the equation. And here with the game on the line, you need a big punt. You shank one, and now Jameis Winston a chance to bounce.
All right, Jameis, what you got for us? We get another chance. Redemption. We got Chubb to your left. You're going to give it to Chubb. Or sorry, that's Jerome Ford who gets a nice run of 7 yards.
You were saying at the break, Dustin.
And the Browns are inside the 40. 3:10 left. Both teams have 2 timeouts, plus the 2-minute warning.
Down to his leg in these conditions. He's a great kicker. He just has had a tough time, especially last week.
We're going to find out pretty quickly. It's under 3 minutes to go.
2nd and 4. There's Dustin Hopkins warming up.
On the sideline. 2nd and 4.
At the 39. Jameis is going to throw. Look out. Still up. Jameis got through it. And it's dropped by Akins.
Couldn't hold on.
He was wide open. You cannot
Steelers
drop
here
that.
Making a blunder. Queen and Elliott both taking Njoku. Njoku works here, and you got two defenders that go with him. So you got nobody
Herbert
on the
coming
other
in.
tight end. He's all alone. Nobody has it. I mean, if he can't.
Oh my God, that's a touchdown if Akins catches it. There was no one in front of him.
Looked like he almost jumped a little early, too. 3rd down and 4.
3rd and 4.
0 for 8 are the Browns on
Jameis looking to throw. Oh, it's tipped up in the air, incomplete.
incomplete.
Looking for Njoku.
Deshaun Elliott.
4th and 4. Deshaun Elliott with the tip.
This is where, you know, you
We're
have
really
to play
testing
Henderson
Jameis's
coming
eyes
in.
right here.
It's the
4th
play
and
that
4. What do
feel
you
based
do?
on
Are
the
you in
coverage
Hopkins
that
field
you're
goal
gonna
range or
get,
not?
that
They're
Jameis
not.
Winston's
They're
gonna
going
get
for it.
back out and get the ball. If it's man coverage, maybe
This is the game
routes or
right here.
crossers, mesh routes underneath, try to create a pick.
3 for 3 on 4th down. Here they are again.
Been a quiet night for this man because of the double teams and the chips.
Wow.
Jameis
Got him again.
for the game. Caught. Judy. 1st down.
Caught. Jerry Jeudy.
What a
right
nice
there.
diving grab by Jerry Jeudy, the former
We
Bronco.
just said use a pick.
That'll take us to the 2-minute
Anything
warning.
you can do, that's what Judy uses with
The
Njoku.
Browns might do it. They might pull this off.
Uses the big fella, almost as just
That's a
set free.
huge play. It's a
Get away
pick
from
play.
him, use the
What a
big
job by
man, get the
Njoku
help
to
out,
get
the
Porter
first
off
down.
him. They get a play off before the 2-minute warning. It's a little out route to Akins who gets it.
And that'll be caught by Jordan Akins. And that
And I believe the 20.
will make it 2nd down. They're going to try to go
Or the
without a
30.
huddle, but they stop right here.
How about him just not only making the
And
catch,
the clock
but
stops
staying
at
in
2 minutes and 5
bounds.
seconds to
I
go.
mean, every yard
As he
counts
slid
right
out of
now, right?
bounds.
And just getting closer to this field goal for Hopkins.
Inside 5 minutes. 2nd half, clock doesn't wind, so it stopped at 2:05 as he went at about 2nd down and 2.
What yard line are we at? We're at the 25. Winston gives it up, and it's stuffed.
Getting none. Ford.
Going to be 3rd down and 2. Ford
So many big plays.
just could not get any yardage. Good job by the Steelers defensive front. 2-minute warning. Browns driving. Looking to pull off an upset.
Of Hopkins.
Welcome back to the blizzard in Cleveland. Hopkins is changing shoes.
Who knows?
Going to be 3rd down and 2.
Even this year, that 40 to
This is going to
49
be chaos.
This year, it's beyond 50 where he's struggling.
Both teams have 2 timeouts.
Right now. That picture says it all. That
3rd
picture
and
says
2.
it all.
The snap alone, right?
3rd down and 2.
Jameis.
0 for 9 on 3rd down. Can they
They're
convert
faking the
here?
Chubb. Here goes Patrick Queen. Winston got drilled as he threw it. Patrick Queen with a nice play. It's going to be 4th down and 2 with a minute 55 to go.
Yeah,
Oh, there's a flag.
Defense here. They're going to take a look at this. Did Winston just try to get rid of the football? There wasn't any
Uh-oh.
receivers
There might be
anywhere
intentional
around that.
grounding.
This offensive lineman.
This might be a
Imagine
huge
if it's
play by
intentional
Patrick
grounding
Queen.
and They move this back.
Taking out a field goal range. Right now, you know, in this weather, you're on the cusp. You're a 43-yard field goal, which would be a 58-yard field goal if they call it intentional grounding.
Let's see. Is Jameis still in the
So,
tackle
here we are.
box?
Make the call.
Yeah, easily. The only person that was there for the Browns was Ethan
Brad
Pochich.
Allen would have the official word.
Yeah, there's no receiver
It's-
in the area. The ball didn't get past.
Yeah, it's looking like an intentional grounding. Very unfortunate.
All right, Terry, do you want to weigh in quickly?
Yeah, he's certainly in the pocket. There's no receiver in the vicinity. The only issue would be it looks like he starts his motion.
Oh, illegal touching on Ethan Pochich. Going to be a 5-yard penalty. They're not going to lose the down.
Starting to throw the football.
Pittsburgh's declined penalty. It's fourth
That's why
down.
it's not intentional grounding,
Got
but
it.
apparently a lineman intentionally touched the football, touched the pass, which is a 5-yard penalty.
Right, Bosick, Ethan
It
Bosick.
would have been interesting
Yeah,
to see
Ethan
where that
Bosick,
ball
he
would have
did
gone.
touch
Wouldn't
it
have been hit, 'cause I
while
don't think it had a lot
before it
of-
was on the ground,
But
before it
anyway,
was
they might
incomplete.
wave it off.
What are you doing?
They're holding up. Allen's coming over. Brad Allen's coming over the sideline. He is, for the moment, they have it at the 25, and he said a 5-yard penalty. He's talking to Tomlin.
4th and 2.
Explaining to
Brad
Mike
Allen,
what
the head referee,
situation is
talking to
here.
Mike Tomlin about
So the
something.
original scrimmage was the 25. Going to be 4th down. Where's the ball?
And
Might as well
notice
kick it,
that
right?
Pittsburgh declined the penalty. Let's see if he.
I mean,
after
you're
talking-
down by 1 point.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, 4th down. So 4th and 2.
4th and 2.
They're basically
What do you do,
saying,
Kevin
"We want to try a
Stefanski?"
43-yard field goal. We
Oh
want
my
to go for it.
God,
They're
they're
going to go
going
for
for
it.
it.
Meanwhile, Hopkins.
Am I missing something?
Dustin Hopkins is
You got a
ready.
chance to win the game, right?
Well,
I guess it just tells you about the conditions.
well, you still have 155.
What is going
and
on here?
Pittsburgh is full-time. There's a lot going on here. Now they're going to move it back.
They're moving it back.
So originally declined, but it's a 5-yard penalty. Hang with us, gang. We're all in this together.
3rd and
They
7.
declined it, and then after talking to him, they pushed him back.
To the 30. So there's your 5-yard
So the
penalty.
Browns are back at the 30.
It's still 3rd down. And 3rd down
Jameis?
and 7.
That
Got
makes sense.
Elijah Moore in
Ready for
motion.
play.
Got a running back to his left, and now we got another stoppage. And a timeout call by Mike Tomlin.
The wheels, they are spinning. Steve Jackson might say. Terry, there was a little confusion out on the field. What was the end result?
Yeah, they originally they declined the penalty, and then they went through all of the options. It's not a loss of down. They decided to accept the 5-yard penalty.
Mom, I'm watching football. Yeah, I will. I'm watching the game.
So
After the
Hopkins still on
game.
the sideline.
After the
Ball at
game.
the 30.
3rd and 7.
Barely abated. 3rd and 7.
Now Ford's going to go in to be a receiver. Winston looking to throw.
In the pocket.
Going long, caught. First down. Jerry Jeudy inside the 15.
6 catches, 87 yards for him.
Jerry Jeudy having a whale of a fourth quarter.
Staircasing against man coverage. Looks like we have a flag that comes in late.
Very
Joey
late.
Porter passes it off
The
to
flag.
Minka.
Oh, Minka.
Patrick.
He
It looks like a
slipped.
little bit of
Joey
indecisive
Porter.
miscommunication there by the defense. But a great
As
ball
there's
there by
a
Jameis
delay
to
of
get
game
Jeudy
on
a
Beanie
chance.
Bishop, going to be another 5-yard penalty. The Browns are going to be inside the 10.
Oh, man. Bishop.
Beanie Bishop came up to Jerry Jeudy and pushed him. But yeah, Jeudy makes a nice catch. Porter got beat by Jeudy, and then Minka slipped, and Jeudy was open.
From the 40. Might go back and look at that play in a second.
What are we doing
Not
here?
sure they touched him down.
If they did, it was with a leg.
Yeah.
First and goal. Winston gives it to Chubb. Chubb breaking through tackles inside the 5 to the 2.
Line he goes.
This is the Nick Chubb we all love to see, unless you're a Pittsburgh
It
fan.
is not going to be in any hurry at all. Pittsburgh, because they used
Russell Wilson, you know, the jacket, ready to go.
substitution in just a few plays ago. They're down to just one time.
They're going to need a touchdown if Cleveland scores.
Obviously, if Cleveland gets into the end zone, Pittsburgh needs its own touchdown. Field goal would do no good. 2nd down and goal.
2nd and goal, minute and 5 to go. Here in this Blizzard game.
Winston from the gun.
Jameis. Chubb. Touchdown Browns! They take the lead with 57 seconds to go, and it's Nick Chubb.
Look at this crowd.
Listen to Cleveland. They are 57 seconds away from upsetting the Steelers.
Obviously going to go for two here.
And they're going to go for two.
Lived in Ohio most of my life, and I
And
felt
every
the
single Cleveland Browns fan loves Nick Chubb.
As soon as he scored, he
And you
scored
gotta love to see that
57
against the
seconds,
team
and if they go for two here,
where
you're gonna
he
get Russell
had
Wilson
that
with a
major
timeout,
injury last
and he's
year.
gonna have to work back.
We'll have one timeout
Get what could be the game-winning touchdown. Pittsburgh's gonna have one timeout after the two-point try. Jameis. Whiteheart in motion.
We had Chubb lined up in the backfield as the tailback.
Flag.
Full start.
Full start.
Offense number 59. Or 5-yard penalty.
It's so hard to do a hard count down in there.
That's Winston Reed, who's
Sure.
a defensive player. They put him in as the fullback.
Winston Reed, the fullback. He's a
And he
defender.
flinches.
Flinched. He's in the backfield, too. Now it looks like they're probably going to bring out Hopkins, right?
Even though you're moving it back.
Yeah, change the personnel group.
Oh, no.
Right.
They're still going to go for two.
Still need two to make it 7.
The Steelers can run it back for two.
Chubb comes out.
Chubb's not in the game. Jerome Ford is the running back.
Judy's had a big run.
Watch Jerry Jeudy. Elijah Moore's off sides.
He gets stacked on the left side.
Jameis got his. He threw. Oh, it's off the backside of Deshaun Elliott. Really good coverage from Deshaun Elliott. Jameis threw it behind.
What a crazy game.
And the Steelers are only down by 5. They have a timeout. They have one of the best clutch quarterbacks in the business, Russell Wilson.
This ball is going.
Can they do it?
This ball is going across midfield, and we're all going to be holding on for dear life here to see how this
This
thing
has
can
been
end.
one hell of a game here in the snow.
What a job
Here in the blizzard.
Winston and Judy have
In
done on
Cleveland.
this offense. Judy had
They're getting the
such a
stuff
good
we're
back.
getting up here in Wisconsin.
Touching with his left leg.
Although it's
Looked like he maybe
worse
did. The ball just tries to
Cleveland.
How sure I want this game. This one's so much fun.
The Chubb
Man, it's so good.
with
to see
two huge
the
runs
Browns
to get into the end zone.
running hard after everything he's been through, the rehab that he worked so hard for 14 months to get back in, and scores 2 touchdowns tonight. There's the 2-pointer. Unable to come up with that, but they still have the 5-point lead.
But Chubb's averaging less than 3 yards a carry.
Yeah.
But still those 2 big TDs. 3 sacks for Garrett in the first half.
Myles Garrett celebrating Nick Chubb's
So
touchdown.
what magic remains? Wilson's had a great night, 18 of 22 for 240. We talked about last year we were here, Joe Flacco came out of retirement to lead them to the playoffs with a win over the Jets on a Thursday night. And this year, it's Jameis Winston, again with Watson getting hurt.
Hopkins is going to kick
He'll
it.
be one of
They're
the
playing
big
Chris
birds tonight if they hold
Stapleton.
on.
Won a lot of awards in the CMAs last night. Did Chris Stapleton. Had himself a hell of a night.
This is when the PA announcers will
57
say, "Thank you for
seconds.
coming and drive carefully on
I mean,
your
they're
way
going
home
to kick
tonight.
it
You'll need
in place, so you're going to have to return it. You're going to take off like 4 or 5 seconds off the clock. Got to sit up for this one. Here we go, folks. This is what it's all about right here. Hopkins kicks it.
Hopkins.
You're going to have to return it at the 10.
From the 10, Jalen Warren.
Jalen Warren, the backup running back, breaking tackles, and a bunch of Browns are going to have to throw him down. 4 Browns players had to tackle Jalen Warren. He's a beast.
With Carissa and the gang exclusively on Prime Video, Kaylee was the star of the game.
Myles Garrett having a multi-sack game. Damn.
To talk about tonight, a lot of stuff.
Well, what's great here in this last 50 seconds is you got a quarterback
50
like
seconds
Russell
left.
Wilson. He knows where he wants to find
Took
the matchups.
7
You got
seconds off
Myles
the clock.
Garrett,
Pittsburgh
who's
has
gonna be
one
in a
timeout.
sprinter stance to try to get after him. He's already had a big night with a number of sacks. What can Pittsburgh do? They got that back there. Looks like to try to help Dan Moore out on that left side.
Then he goes 60.
Here we go from the 36. They need 64 yards to win this game in 50 seconds. Wilson
Rush 4.
caught. Fryer move up to the 45.
He's
nearly a first down. It's still in the middle of the field, and the Steelers have to hurry. 35 seconds to go.
He realizes the urgency he's got to go with here.
Got to go
30
quick.
seconds and one timeout.
At the 45,
Trying to get in position where at least
under 30 seconds left.
nothing else.
Russ flushed out to his left and just throws it into the dirt.
Incomplete.
Warren was the closest Steeler to it.
Intended receiver.
22 seconds left, third down and 1.
Put the heat on. Now you're down to 22 seconds.
Yeah, none of the receivers, as he rolled to his left and went into scramble mode, nobody worked with him. He was running that time. And it looked
Russell
like
Wilson,
Pickens
40
just
career
kind of stopped.
game-winning drives in fourth quarter slash overtime. Second most among active players. Stafford has the most with 45.
Still 3rd and 1, so Frymouth did not get the first down.
Third and 1.
Put 1 second.
23 seconds
More
left
on the clock.
at
It's
the
a
45.
23.
Wilson. Here comes Myles Garrett. Warren gets it up to midfield. And Delpit throws him down. And now they're going to have to call a timeout. 16 seconds left for the Steelers. Great play by Grant Delpit. The Steelers have no timeouts.
30-second timeout. Schwartz's defense, can they hold?
He had 16 seconds. And
Browns looking for the upset.
Pickens is your main vertical threat downfield. We saw Calvin Austin make a play as well. Mike Williams, who's not 100% a few weeks ago against the Commanders, made a catch late. He's coming off the field right now. But the big thing
Under
is,
halfway to go.
Going to Hail Mary mode right now. I still think there's with a veteran quarterback like this, maybe you get a crosser, something where you can pick up 10 to 20 yards near the boundary to get out of bounds or get up to the ball and spike it into the ground.
Real quick, with 16, you can do either.
16 seconds left.
So the ball is at the 44.
At the 44-yard line of Cleveland. Frymouth in motion. Warren in the backfield with Russ.
To the right side.
Myles Garrett coming from the blind side. Russ. Garrett spin move. Russ has to flip it. Out of bounds. 10 seconds to go.
Now you got 10 seconds.
Gotta go Hail Mary now, you
Now
think?
you really compel me to get the guy out of bounds or do your Hail Mary act right
Gotta do
here.
Hail Marys. Gotta do Hail Marys.
Pressure on a quarterback
Gotta do Hail
in this
Marys.
moment in the game. I mean, you would think rushing forward that he's going to be back there with all kinds of time, especially in these conditions. But Myles Garrett leading the charge there with a spin move, got into him.
Second and 10. 10 seconds left.
10 seconds, whistles.
Now Browns timeout.
Timeout, Cleveland.
Cleveland, for second. It will be 30 seconds.
What was that year? 2012, the Monday Night Football, the Russ Hail Mary against the Packers. He's got it in him.
Yeah, Russ has been involved in some fantastic finishes, both pro and con, as you know. But a great career. What's he got in store tonight? Next week, Friday, Raiders Chiefs on Black Friday.
I'm not watching that.
Day game 3 Eastern, noon Pacific.
Jim Schwartz electing to get his safeties obviously way back. He's going to continue to rush the full.
10
form
seconds
those deep.
to go. Wow, I'm getting tired.
Yeah, they're standing at the 15-yard line.
At the 45.
Four-man rush again.
Brown's going to rush 4. Russ,
Wilson has to go to the
quick,
outside.
outside to Austin to get a few more yards. 6 seconds left, going to be third down.
6 seconds.
That
Hail
took
Mary.
4 seconds. So if Cleveland plays the same,
This is probably going to be the last play of the game.
you could theoretically try to run something similar to that. You know, try to get maybe another 8 to 10 yards.
Third and 1.
Hey, they did it in 4 seconds.
Yeah, they could.
6 seconds left. To do a little out route again.
6 seconds.
Now the Browns are playing up.
Another time.
And the Browns call their last time out.
Down lineman.
This game's never going to end.
Cleveland, their third and final.
Okay, they move Jordan
30
Hicks
seconds.
into a spot around 8 yards downfield. The safety's very deep. So the Cleveland Browns trying to become giant killers. Beat Baltimore. much do you think the Ravens won through this game then? This way tonight, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the Browns did beat Baltimore.
John Harbaugh and company, I'm sure.
Just another reminder that the NFL, I mean, every week, it seems like almost every game, one possession, you never know what the heck's going to happen. These teams are all so close. It's just a matter of who can play consistently. And that's what separates
3rd
these
and
teams.
1.
Everybody knows nothing.
6 seconds left. No timeouts for anybody. This could be the last play of the game. Ross takes the snap. Going for the end zone. Got nailed as he threw it. Hail Mary to end the game. Knocked down by Denzel Ward and Grant Delpit. The Cleveland Browns have upset the Pittsburgh Steelers in this unbelievable, awesome Blizzard game.
Denzel Ward knocks it down. Jordan Hicks.
What a game.
Put the heat on. They rushed 3 initially. Hicks came late. Put the
Oh
heat on.
shit, George Pickens is going at Browns fans.
Upset about something. To pull him away.
I think he's by the grandstands.
Jameis Winston.
Greg Newsom was also over there.
10th year in the league. People wonder, where did Jameis Winston go?
There he is.
He went to Cleveland.
How about the Cleveland Browns,
As the
man?
backup. He was actually the number
First
3
time winning
quarterback at
consecutive
that point.
regular season games versus Steelers since 1999 to 2000. How about
This
that?
defense got the pressure.
What a
but
wild
they
game here in Cleveland.
Did what they had to do this time.
What happened to George Pickens here? Oh, he's got Greg Newsom by the
Steelers
neck.
down there.
Yeah, none of the receivers really in position to have any chance at all. Good job by the Browns knocking that straight down.
Freiermuth was
4
the only
receivers,
one
6
close
defenders.
to the Hail Mary. There was 3 Browns right by the play. Ooh, and Hicks
Late move
drills Russell Wilson
by
in
Jordan
the
Hicks.
chest. Jordan Hicks.
Jim Schwartz, Miles Garrett. What a
The
nice
Browns
performance
have
those
won
two.
again. This is AFC North football at its finest.
Well, like I
Gritty,
said,
close
team
games
teammate beating a teammate
in the
too.
worst of weather.
The line on the game is relatively
Gotta
close,
love it.
all things considered.
What happened with George
The Browns
Pickens
have put
here?
on a show tonight.
The Browns have now beat the Steelers 5 of the last 6 when they've come here to Cleveland.
We're talking about division rivalry.
Looked like Jameis was squinting the whole time. He still is kind of
A lot
squinting.
of times it's a bunch of hooey, but not in this case. Pittsburgh and
Oh,
Cleveland.
they're not going to show
What
it.
a show.
Jameis,
24-19.
Nick Chubb, Denzel Ward.
Post-game show.
The Browns
Penny was sponsored.
win this awesome Blizzard game here in Cleveland and bump up to 3-8 with the upset. Pittsburgh falls to 8-3. Thank y'all for watching. I'm RV and I'm out. Peace. What a wild day.